My name is Cheryl Walters, and I am the coordinator for the health and wellness programs for Northwest CAP. We're right now at a Healthy Bones class in Randolph. Now, we do these classes all over Morris County, so this is just one of many. And this Healthy Bones has been existing for 25 years. In August, we just celebrated 25 years doing Healthy Bones throughout the state. One thing most people would say about Healthy Bones, it really helps our seniors. It's geared for persons with osteoporosis or osteoporosis tendency. And when you hear some of the stories, the success stories, you'll find out that it really does help our seniors.
I think it's great. I've been doing it since 2006.
I like it too. It's been really good for me, improving my walking and talking and everything else.
And everything else.
I've been involved with the Healthy Bones program since 2016, and I've become a peer leader over the years, and I've enjoyed the weekly exercise program. I especially appreciate the balance exercises, which has helped me to maintain my balance.
And I think the program is excellent, especially to get us older folks moving.
I'm here because my doctor told me that I have to be active at my age. And following, I enjoy being here. I meet a lot of people, and at the same time, my health is getting better all the time.
I have been with the Project Healthy Bone from 2016. My doctor recommended this exercise to me. So when I did the exercise, in 2 years from osteoporosis, I became osteopenia. I think this Project Healthy Bone will help everybody, especially the senior like me.